We got a Swagman RV Ladder Rack. Stick around, I'm going to show you how to put it together, how to set it up.
Yeah, I'm gonna hook it up.
And if you want to check it out for yourself, go check the description down below. I'll have some links down there for you. And if you use those links to purchase, it'll help the channel out. You can also give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Pretty simple rack. First we got to put it together. And Jackson's here helping me.
This way?
Yeah, make sure these are lined up. You want that like that.
Then do this way?
Yep, it might be easier if you put that end in there and use the long end for leverage. There you go. And you don't tighten them all down at first, you just do them loose at first. That's good. Let's get this one going. Start it by hand so you know the threads are straight before you tighten it.
Is this enough?
That's a good start.
And bye-bye.
Okay, that's good. Now we're going to flip this over, flip this on top of it.
And put right there.
I'll do this one while you're doing that one. Okay, don't do it all the way tight yet. These other ones tighten down a bit first. Alright, now you can tighten these ones down. And make sure everything's lined up first before you tighten everything down. That's probably good. No? Is it as tight as this one was?
That one makes...
That's good enough. Well, you can get it tighter. You don't want to over tighten. It'll strip things out. Comes with a nice set of instructions here. How to put it together, how to hook it onto your ladder, and then how to hook on your bike. So I have to take this off, on and off, when I need to get on the roof.
Yay! We're doing the other side.
You know which way the clock goes?
This way! This way!
That's the way you tighten.
Why do they do it as a clock?
Because it's round and it turns like a clock. Now that everything's tight, we're just going to double check. Yeah, you did pretty good, Jackson. Here we go, hook it up.
Yeah! I'm gonna go hook it up.
Wait for me.
You can't do it!
You can't do it. Oh, you did it.
I broke the lock! Yay!
Undo those so we can put the bikes on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fifth ladder step. Next, we need to put the strap on. 2 straps. Get a nice little clip on it so you can run it through. And then the bike goes on this way. I had to spread these apart a little further. Make enough room for that second bike. Alright, so after a whole bunch of finagling and experimenting, I sort of got it to fit. That fork still sticks out quite a bit. My wife says it doesn't stick any further than my mirrors. Hopefully that'll work. I think I'm going to put some bungee cords on there just in case. And to top it all off, I put a lock on it.
There, I did it! Darn it! I bloopered it! What are you guys making?
Quiet.
What are you guys making?
Quiet.
What are you guys making?
A video.
Ah! Oh no! Blooper!
Get back to the camera.
Ah!
Wanna go past?
Yep.
You're gonna edit me out?
I'll put you in the blooper saying, can I go past?
And a picture of my butt going through?
Uh-huh. Can I double check them now?
No, you ain't no. Here.
Got brand new brakes on the FJ today too. Not cheap. No, I can't see what I'm doing. The video's in the way. 3 hours of driving and they're still there. My turn to go potty.